what should have happened after Heartbleed. Log4j is a really interesting example. So Log4j happened end of 2021. We talked with them in 2023, and until then, they did not have a single full-time developer. Even after everyone really definitely knew they need Log4j, and most of them have not switched to a replacement. And yet we talked with them and they explained to us, well, the past couple of years, they were always forced to do critical fixes. They could never do a proper code review, a proper code rewrite, work with code smell, and so on. So there are specific needs that are often never, usually never paid for by companies that usually like to invest in, features, feature development, but usually not in maintenance. So increasing the security of projects by investing in like the maintenance work, cleaning up code, increasing the maintainability of code could also lead to more contributors becoming part of the community, and hence strengthening also security and longevity of a project. And then for others, it's building up a proper security team or onboarding, doing community work. I think there are different, on a very technical level, there are different responses to what can make a project more sustainable. And it's been really interesting and very enlightening to have these conversations and to understand, yes, projects need money for the more time-based work actually than feature-based or milestone-based work sometimes.